When it comes to finding reliable and efficient air conditioning service near me in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise in the field of air conditioning and their commitment to providing top-notch service, SCON Design has become a trusted partner for many residents and businesses in the area. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable company that specializes in air conditioning services. They offer a wide range of services including installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement of air conditioning systems. Whether you need a new AC unit installed or your existing system needs repair, SCON Design has the knowledge and experience to handle it all. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other air conditioning service providers is their focus on customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of a properly functioning air conditioning system, especially in the hot and humid climate of Bangalore. That is why they strive to provide quick and efficient service to ensure that their customers are comfortable in their homes or offices. If you are looking for an air conditioning service near you in Marathahalli, Bangalore, then look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. SCON Design is a renowned company that specializes in providing top-notch air conditioning services to both residential and commercial clients. With their expertise and experience in the industry, they have gained a reputation for delivering excellent service and customer satisfaction. When it comes to air conditioning services, SCON Design offers a wide range of solutions to meet the needs of their clients. Whether you need installation, repair, or maintenance services, their team of skilled technicians is well equipped to handle any task efficiently and effectively. They understand the importance of having a properly functioning air conditioning system, especially in a place like Marathahalli where the temperatures can soar during the summer months. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for your air conditioning service needs is their proximity to Marathahalli. Being located nearby means that they can provide prompt and efficient services to their clients in the area. This saves both time and effort for customers who want their air conditioning issues resolved quickly. In addition to their convenient location, SCON Design also prides itself on its professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. They have a team of highly trained technicians who are knowledgeable about the latest advancements in air conditioning technology. This ensures that they can provide the best possible solutions to their clients' air conditioning needs. SCON Design also understands the importance of regular maintenance for air conditioning systems.